everyone, today I will tell you about the evolution of teapots. Subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. Enjoy! The first kettles appeared in prehistoric times, simply clay vessels on fire. Several thousand years ago, water was heated in stone containers by the fire. In Egypt around 2000 BC, copper vessels were used for boiling water. In China, in the 4th century BC, bronze kettles appeared, the ancestors of modern tea art. The ancient Greeks created ceramic vessels with bright paintings, combining utility and beauty. In the Roman Empire in the 1st century AD, kettles resembled military cauldrons. In medieval Persia, copper kettles were decorated with patterns and became a source of pride. In 15th century India, brass kettles shone with golden brilliance and were used at feasts. In 17th century Japan, tetsubin appeared, heavy cast iron kettles for tea ceremonies. In ancient times, kettles were often used not only in everyday life, but also in religious rites. In China during the Tang dynasty, around the 7th century, true tea art was born. In the 15th century, the Japanese tea ceremony made the kettle a symbol of harmony and peace. In the Arab world of the 9th-10th centuries, kettles acquired elegant oriental shapes. In Byzantium, in the 10th century, kettles were adorned with silver and gems, emphasizing wealth. In the 16th century, through trade routes, kettles and tea began to arrive in Europe. In the 17th century, Chinese porcelain became a luxury at the tables of European aristocrats. In the 17th century, the kettle's shape changed. A convenient cup handle appeared. In the East, kettles were decorated with calligraphy, turning them into works of art. In 17th century Europe, silver kettles emphasized status and wealth. In the 18th century, kettles became a symbol of home comfort and prosperity in Europe. In the 17th century, kettles became part of Europe's aristocratic gatherings. In the 18th century, England created its own refined porcelain for tea parties. Simple copper kettles of the 18th century were found in every kitchen. In the 18th century, the classic shape of the kettle appeared, with a convenient spout. In the 19th century, cast iron kettles became a symbol of strength and durability. Porcelain continued to decorate the table in the 19th century. The Industrial Revolution brought mass production of kettles. In the 19th century, East and West exchanged styles and shapes of kettles. Teapots often became family heirlooms that were passed down from generation to generation. By the end of the 19th century, kettles were in every home, no longer a luxury. In the steam age, kettles become simple and functional. Factories produced thousands of iron kettles in the mid-19th century. Enamel gave kettles protection and new colors. Copper and steel became accessible to most families. Water was boiled in kettles right on coal stoves. At the end of the 19th century, the famous whistling kettle appeared. Function became more important than beauty. The kettle was simplified. Kettles became companions of travel and camping. In the 20th century, kettles became heroes of advertising and posters. The kettle firmly established itself as a symbol of comfort and family. In 1891, the first electric kettle appeared in England. In the 1920s, kettles became design objects in Art Deco style. In the 1930s, metal electric kettles became widespread. In the USSR, the kettle was an indispensable kitchen item in the mid-20th century. In the USA, the electric kettle became a symbol of technological progress. In the 1970s, plastic appeared. Kettles became light and colorful. At the end of the 20th century, kettles learned to switch off by themselves. Designer teapot by Aldo Rossi, postmodern form. Kettles turned into cult designer objects. Electric kettles became mass market and accessible worldwide. Kettles entered pop culture, appearing in films and cartoons. Today, a kettle can be turned on directly from your smartphone. Twenty-first century design strives for simplicity and minimalism. Glass kettles brought transparency and beauty to the boiling process. Modern kettles save energy and care for the planet. Thermos kettles keep water hot for hours. Kettles became convenient companions on the road. Exhibition of designer teapots of the 21st century unusual shapes. Today, kettles are both utility and art. Future kettles will be able to talk and predict your desires. Scientists are developing kettles that heat up without electricity. the kettle is a symbol of comfort that will stay with us even in the future.